The young man's journey to success. Once, there was a young man brimming with ambition and grand dreams. He yearned to achieve remarkable success and reach the pinnacle of his aspirations, but he wanted it all quickly. Time felt fleeting, and his impatience pushed him to chase his goals at a relentless pace. Despite his hard work, his attempts to attain swift success ended in disappointment. Though he managed to achieve small victories, they fell far short of his lofty expectations, leaving him frustrated and disheartened. He often pondered why, despite his tireless efforts and dedication, success eluded him while others seemed to prosper. Over time, he realized that hard work alone might not suffice. Perhaps there were deeper principles, hidden secrets and rules of success that he needed to uncover. This epiphany spurred his search for guidance, someone who could unlock these mysteries for him. One day, a friend told him about a wise Buddhist monk renowned for his profound wisdom and ability to solve life's most complex problems with simplicity. Intrigued by the monk's reputation for making even the most intricate concepts easy to grasp, the young man decided to visit the monk's temple without delay. Meeting the wise monk. At the temple, the young man greeted the monk with reverence and shared his story. "Master," he began earnestly, "I have big dreams and a burning desire to succeed. But I want to achieve it all in a short time. Despite my best efforts, I haven't seen the results I hope for. I believe there are rules and secrets to success that I do not know. Can you teach me these principles? I promise to follow them with utmost dedication." The monk looked into the young man's eyes and saw a fierce determination, a willingness to sacrifice and work tirelessly for his goals. Recognizing this sincerity, the monk said, "I will share with you 8 rules. If you adhere to them with complete honesty, you can achieve a 10-year goal in just 10 months. But remember, faith and diligence are essential. Rule 1. Open your mind. First, the monk explained, you must open your mind to the belief that it is possible. Convince yourself that what others accomplish in a year, you can achieve in a month. Everything begins in the mind. A goal is first achieved in your thoughts before it manifests in reality. Think of a student who spends an entire year idling, but studies intensely for a month before exams and surprises everyone with exceptional results. That same principle of focus applies here. Believe in the possibility of your success, and your actions will align accordingly. Rule 2. Disappear for 6 months. The second rule, the monk continued, is to disappear from the world for 6 months. Cut off distractions, friends, social obligations, and unnecessary interactions. Dedicate yourself entirely to your goal. Don't worry about losing anyone in this time. Those who matter will remain in your life. Sacrificing these months of connection is a small price to pay for achieving your dreams. Create a space where your mind is undisturbed, allowing you to channel your energy solely into your pursuits. The young man listened intently, his determination deepening with every word. The monk continued to share the remaining principles, each a powerful tool to unlock the secrets of success. Through the monk's guidance and his unwavering dedication, the young man embarked on a transformative journey, ready to rewrite his destiny. Rule 3. Find the right master. Surround yourself with wisdom, not mediocrity, the monk said firmly. If you aim to reach the pinnacle of success, you must seek a master who has already conquered that summit. Avoid those with only surface-level knowledge. They cannot guide you where you aspire to go. A true master has faced the challenges you will encounter, has overcome the obstacles you will face, and can teach you from their invaluable experience. Their guidance will save you years of trial and error. Whether it's financial success or professional achievement, The right mentor accelerates your journey tenfold. Don't hesitate to invest your time, effort, and resources into finding this guide. They hold the key to unlocking your full potential. Rule 4. Set a clear goal. Clarity is power, the monk emphasized. Define your goal with precision. What exactly do you want to achieve? By when? Write it down. A vague ambition will only lead to scattered efforts and unfulfilled dreams. Human nature gravitates toward balance. Goals should be challenging, but not impossible. If they're too easy, you'll neglect them. If they're too daunting, you'll abandon them. Strike the right balance. Limit your priorities to no more than 3. When you have more than 3, none are truly a priority. Focus sharpens when your purpose is singular and resolute. Rule 5. Create a detailed plan. A goal without a plan is merely a wish, the monk continued. Break your aspirations into actionable steps. Divide your 10-month target into daily, weekly, and monthly milestones. List the 3 critical tasks required to achieve your objective and break these tasks into manageable parts. Visualization is key. See yourself achieving your goal every day. Feel the emotions of success, joy, pride, fulfillment. This will strengthen your resolve. Alongside your plan, identify 3 compelling reasons why you must succeed. The stronger your reasons, the stronger your commitment. Rule 6. Develop strong discipline. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and their realization, the monk declared. It's not enough to feel motivated occasionally. You must harness the energy and focus you experience on your best days and make it your constant state. To maintain this, eliminate laziness, fatigue, and distractions. Commit yourself to a disciplined routine. Each day, perform the tasks you've set, even when you don't feel like it. Over time, discipline becomes a habit, and habits shape destiny. Rule 7. Take responsibility. Own your journey, the monk advised. Success is your responsibility, no one else's. Stop blaming circumstances, people, or luck. Accept that every outcome, whether good or bad, is a result of your actions or inactions. When you take full responsibility for your success, you also gain control over it. This shift in mindset will empower you to take the necessary steps toward your goals without relying on external factors. The young man absorbed these lessons with unwavering attention, each rule lighting a fire within him. He realized that true success wasn't just about working hard, it required working smart, focusing intensely, and following a structured path guided by wisdom. The monk's words became the cornerstone of his journey. With determination and discipline, the young man began implementing these rules, steadily transforming his dreams into reality. Rule 8. Keep learning and adapting. Success is not a straight path, the monk said. It is a dynamic process of constant growth, learning, and adaptation. No matter how big your dreams are, you cannot achieve them by following a rigid plan without flexibility. There will be times when your hard work brings excellent results, and other times when it seems to yield nothing. These highs and lows are natural. The key is to stay committed, continuously learn from your experiences, and refine your strategies. Discard old, unproductive habits and beliefs, and adopt new ones that align with the current demands of your journey. The monk added, "Life is always changing, and so must you. If you remain stagnant in your methods, your progress will halt. Embrace change as an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. Break through the barriers of your old mindset and approach each challenge with a fresh perspective." Conclusion and reflection. The monk's final words left a deep impression on the young man. He now understood that achieving extraordinary success in a short time wasn't just about working harder, but also about working smarter, staying disciplined and evolving constantly. As the young man rose to leave, he expressed his heartfelt gratitude to the monk. He vowed to follow the 8 rules with unwavering faith and diligence. He left the temple with a renewed sense of purpose and confidence, ready to transform his life. A message for all dreamers. This story teaches us that success is not merely about ambition, it is about strategy, focus, and adaptability. Whether your dreams are big or small, these 8 rules can guide you toward achieving them faster than you ever thought possible. 1. Open your mind. 2. Disappear for 6 months. 3. Find the right master. 4. Set a clear goal. 5. Create a detailed plan. 6. Develop strong discipline. 7. Take responsibility. 8. Keep learning and adapting. If this story resonated with you, share it with others who need inspiration. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Spiritual Motivation channel for more stories that transform lives. See you in the next video.